Comes the Sun. If nobody ever tells you this, you're going to have a hard time learning it. I'm going to solve the whole thing for you in just a few minutes. You can play this tune. The reason that Here Comes the Sun is tough for people who are learning the guitar is that the tabs look like this. Okay, these are great tabs. I'm not hating on these tabs. They're so perfectly accurate down to the note. But what these tabs don't convey is the mental approach you must take to certain songs. Okay, sometimes songs are not just the notes, but it is the approach you take to them, and that's what I'm going to explain for you today. Okay, the first thing we must do is we must learn the melody. All right, the very stripped down bare bones of this song. All right, now I'm going to put a tab there for you. All right, hold a D chord, capo 7, by the way. Okay, please, as we go through this, make sure you obey the strokes that I have indicated down or up. They are everything to us, and you'll see why in a couple minutes. All right, ready? I'll go through it with you. So let's study each section slowly. All right, D chord, strum it. Downstroke, upstroke the second string. Open your first string. Strum through the chord again with the down. Close your first string, upstroke that note, and then upstroke the second string. Okay, just says it right there. So if you need to pause the video, pause it right there and learn this well. Okay, second phrase is the same. Almost, it starts the same. Let's strum a D chord. Okay, now open your 1, upstroke the 1, upstroke the 2. Okay, now go to a G chord. Well, we don't need the top of the G chord. We just need the bottom of it, just the 5th and the 6th strings of the G chord. Now this one, upstroke it. But make sure you don't catch the 1. Try to aim your pick at the 2 and just upstroke. Okay, so that phrase might be like this. Okay, practice that for a while. Okay, next, drop your second string, a 3rd fret with your 3rd finger, upstroke that, upstroke the first string, upstroke the second string. Okay, so that G chord is. Okay. Now, go to your A7 chord, 4th string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret. I hold it like this. If you want to hold it with your first 2 fingers, that works too. All right, now do this. Your second string is going to change. Your second string is going to go like this. 2, 0, 2, 3, and then the first string. Okay? Now, the strokes must be this. Down, up, and then just kind of go back to the chord. Emphasize the 1, up. All right, so that phrase is. Let's keep going. All right, next phrase, second phrase starts the same. Strum down on a D chord. Upstroke the second string. Strum through the chord with the open 1. Close it and upstroke the 1. Upstroke the 2. Okay, and then strum through the chord again. Up on the open 1. Up on 2. And again, a G chord, kind of a semi-G chord. Strum starting from the second string. Upstroke. And then I like to give up this finger, put this down on the first string, 2nd fret, upstroke on 1, open, and then put down the 2nd string, 3rd fret, upstroke. And then the last thing you do, grab your A7 chord, and the A7 is an upstroke. Sounds like this. Okay, at that point, stop the video. Learn that. I'm not saying it's Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay, that's serious business, but you can do this. It's not as hard as you think. All right, now we reach the secret. All right, this is how you have to approach it. Now we know the melody. Okay, don't continue the video unless you know that melody with the proper strokes. Okay, now let's continue this. Grab your D chord and go like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Go to a G chord. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. A7. Right, the secret to this tune is that the right hand never stops going down, up, down, up, down, up. Right, 8th notes all the way. Now look at this tab that I'm going to put here. It's the same tab, but I have added some strokes in yellow to highlight the actual way you play this. This is what I mean. Do you see that I'm never stopping the strum? The secret to this tune is not in the notes, it's in the right hand. Mentally, this is your approach. You are singing that melody in your head, and you are emphasizing the strings which contain the melody note with your pick. So an example right here in the very beginning. Now the next stroke must be an upstroke. I emphasize that. But listen, I hit 2, but I also hit 3. Yay for me, who cares? It doesn't matter. It is not a riff of great precision. Right? That sounds good, right? That's what he was doing, right? And this is how you have to approach it. You're just jamming out. Okay, let's go through that tab together if you like in high detail. Okay, ready? Down, up, emphasize 2. Open your 1 down. Close your 1 up. Now we need it. There's an empty spot here. We need a random down. Just hit 4 and 3 if you want to. And then upstroke the 2nd string. But if you catch the 3rd and the 4th strings, yay for you. You see that? That's the trick to this tune. It's so fun to play. Okay, next phrase. Down, up, down, and then up on the 2nd, right? Okay, now upstroke, the G chords are fun because it feels like they're all upstrokes. Now when you hit the G chords, sort of when you do the downstroke, sort of emphasize the bass, right? So like that's what you're going to hit. Now it actually, but it does start on an upstroke. Now down's kind of on the bass, up on the next note, bass, up on the 1, bass, up on the 2. Okay, so it's the G chord. Now the A7 is kind of the same as we did in the melody, but before that we'd have a couple of empty strokes. So we're going to go like this. I'll start on the G again. Down, up, down, up. Okay, so it's see, my right hand doesn't stop. Okay, all right, 2nd phrase. That is the big secret to Here Comes the Sun. Again, I'm not saying this is Mary Had a Little Lamb. Okay, this takes some work. This will take some work on your part, but you can do this. I learned to do it when I was a teenager. You can learn to do it too. Okay. All right. Let's do a little playthrough. 3, 4, 1. Joy of Here Comes the Sun. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.